Anyway, thank you for coming. You know former County Attorney Andrew Thomas, who we worked very closely with during our 6 years, I guess, especially on the illegal immigration situation, and really on the human smuggling problem that we have facing our county, our state, and of course the United States, because when you look at almost 2,000 arrests of smugglers and co-conspirators. Many of these people that we arrested were heading in other areas of the United States. So it wasn't just a local type operation, it affects the whole country. I'm a little somewhat concerned about our present temporary county attorney who has changed the rules. Which is very unfortunate. I'm concerned. If you look at all these arrests, about 2,000 on the human smuggling violation, that our deputies have to really risk their safety, apprehending all of these people. A very successful prosecution, thanks to the county attorney, former county attorney. I believe 74% conviction rate.
94.
I'm sorry,
But who's
94. Oh, well, 94 is 74 is good too. 94% upheld by the courts, especially on the co-conspirators. And here we have a new interim county attorney that's changing the rules in a very subtle way. And I'm not happy with that. Not happy with it. This is the biggest deterrence you can find when they are convicted, they're given probation, and if they're shipped back to their home country and they come back, they're going to end up 5 years in jail. So this doesn't mean anything turning them over to ICE. Conceivably, we could have turned 2,000 people over to ICE in lieu of charging them under the human smuggling. That's what everybody else does.
Could I add one thing to that, Sheriff? Just to add on to that, these are people who, in my judgment, I haven't reviewed the cases, but assuming they're similar to the ones in the past, they are people who could have been prosecuted for a felony under Arizona law. And we have won at great cost the ability to prosecute these people and make sure they have a felony conviction. And what's more, I had an informal policy. I called it, half jokingly, the Thomas no amnesty policy, which was I required that they get a felony conviction, so that if they were deported, they would have a very difficult time becoming a U.S. citizen or legally immigrating to the United States. And we've lost that. And what's more, he has not been candid with the public and just saying, I'm not going to enforce the Arpaio Thomas model of fighting illegal immigration. He's just letting them loose, adding this paperwork policy, and saying, I'm reassessing things. Well, apparently the reassessment has come and gone, and the decision is to release these folks to ICE, which means we're right back to where we were before the human smuggling law was passed in 2005.
Well, you two are the only.
I will continue to enforce all the illegal immigration laws. I will continue to arrest anybody that violates the illegal immigration laws, and I will continue to book them into our jail. If he wants to let them out the back door with his subtle amnesty situation, we'll see. We will see.